Yeah, my name is Matt Wass. I live in Mesa, Arizona. I've had solar for about a year now with Kayo, and I'm super happy with it. Yeah, I think honestly, solar is the future. I'm sick of being on the grid, to be honest with you, and I know that in the next 20, 30 years, most houses will be running strictly off solar, so I was really interested in switching to clean energy. I think the explanation of how everything would work, how simple it was, my salesperson made it really easy to ensure that, explain all the process, I would say, from start to finish and just how simple it would be. I think that people should really consider the costs of rising energy prices overall in the future. I think that energy is not going to get any cheaper, and it's really nice to set in a solid rate right now rather than having to rely on a mass influx of population coming to the Arizona area and just hiking the prices up even more because demand's going to go sky high. I think a stable price was the best takeaway for sure. One of the coolest parts about it is considering the fact that I can control my energy usage, of course, with it pairing with SRP, but knowing how much energy I'm going to generate every month just by the projections is really a cool thing. So I bought my house about a year before I installed solar, and one of the things that I knew I needed to replace was the roof. And so it being $7,000, $8,000, I didn't really want to pay out of pocket for that. And having that wrapped into the solar loan was really helpful, not only because I got the discount on the roof, but also having to be able to have the ability to finance it initially and then pay it off later on is a really cool perk that Kayo includes. So initially when I was inquiring about solar, I was quite confused on how the whole process would work, and I think that Kayo's patience with me overall with all of the questions I had and how it would be just a simplified process once I understood what solar truly meant was one of the greatest parts about Kayo, and I really appreciated that.